Hey guys, I'm Sean and welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be a tutorial on how to get this look. It's basically two space buns. I have 4C here and I did use gel to get like a little curl defining in it. If you guys want to achieve this look, I give you a full tutorial. Just keep watching. This is basically what we're going to be using. The main choice, Crystal Orchid Biotin Infused Styling Gel. First thing we're going to do is like, can you not? I need hair ties. I'm going to use the mirror to split my part down the middle, or at least as close to the middle as I can get it. Works easier when my hair is wet. At least get a little moisture to it. I tied this around. This is going to be one side, but we're going to work with my left side first. My hair is so fucking thick that sometimes I have to work with it in quarters instead. It's nice and damp, so start brushing from the end and then work your way up. Do the same thing to this section. Here's the gel. This is what it looks like. It's purple, little gelatin stuff. It's not too loose. This is consistency of it. I mainly want to focus it on my ends because I think my ends curl up the best. The rest of my hair is going to be up anyway. The ends is what you're going to mostly see. Only the back does this. The back and like the very front. When I say the very front, I mean like this. Those look, you know, loose and wavy. As you go more towards the middle of my head, that's when they actually get tighter. I'm gonna do this section and then bake and put it all in one ponytail holder all together. This is more so what the middle of my hair looks like. I think the gel actually does its job for my type of hair. Because Eco Style doesn't do shit for me. I'd rather use this. Look at those curls. Only the front of my hair does this. Only the front and the back. It gets this goddamn slick and smooth. I feel like wash and goes, they don't work on me even with this gel because of my type 4C. Yes, 4C hair. That's okay though. I don't even like wash and goes like that. My hair doesn't look great. Alright, bam. And this is what one puff looks like. I'm gonna put a little bit more gel like right here. And bam. Now I'm gonna do the exact same thing to this side. So right now I'm just repeating the same steps that I did on my left side for my right side. Just damp the hair and then go through and start detangling it with the Denman brush. Also, if you don't have a Denman brush, I do recommend a wide tooth comb. It will do literally the same exact thing. Now go in with the styling gel and just make sure you put enough to where your curls are nice and defined and popping, and just make sure you rake it all through and get any excess out. So right now I just grabbed my ponytail holder and I'm just gonna take the entire right side and put it all together. Now I just grabbed some extra gel and just gonna define the looser curls. This is the finished product right now. I'm actually gonna wash my hands and go change, let it dry a little bit. Just take like the next 5 minutes to get ready for work. And we're gonna come back. This is what we're looking like. I just really put on the first things that I saw. My top is from Pink, but I bought it during a semi-annual sale. And then of course my skirt is from Forever 21 and my shoes are also, but you're not gonna see them till later. Hopefully I'm able to get pictures. 6:07. Your bitch is late. I am so late as always. I'll be doing a video about my skincare routine also. Let's come and see. Here's the outfit. I'm at work. It's 8 o'clock and I'm about to take my lunch. But yeah, here we go. In the booty. Wet this part so that I can brush it. When I went to bed, I took the hair ties out, then I put them right back in. I just put it on there once. Just brush this part. Don't really need to get the end. First impression. So it's nice. Now I'm just gonna take the ponytail holder and clamp that entire right side together. And before you go in with the ponytail holder, you can add some extra gel on the part that we just laid down. But sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It just depends on, you know, how I'm feeling. But if you want to, just to get, you know, that hair to lay down even flatter, go on ahead and slap a little bit of gel right on there. Then on the left side, I'm going to repeat the exact same steps. Take and brush it, add gel if you need to, and then take it and put it all up in the ponytail holder together. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Add a little bit of gel. This is what I was talking about when I said it flakes. It's usually just like second day. This is what the back looks like because I didn't show you guys yesterday. Most of the time, like, these cover up my part so long as from right here. So basically, like right here, I'm good because my puffs, they're so thick, everything else gets covered up. It's like concealer. So the very last step is just going back in with some gel on the actual puffs just to define the curls. And this step is of course optional. Your curls, they don't have to always be, you know, defined and popping. You can just detangle it and wear it naturally. But I think either way, it will still come out cute. Hey guys, it's Sean. I'm editing right now, and this part right here took me like 3 minutes when I recorded it, but even after I sped it up, it was only like a minute and a half still. So I'm just gonna cut this part and we'll come back once everything is nice and done. Open up, open up, open up, shut it down like okay, this is what it looks like. 2-day-old. My shirt, I got it from Hot Topic. It's my boys, 5 Sauce. Love them. My jeans, my cousin gave them to me. So yeah, hand me down. Don't know where she got them from. Thank you guys for watching and achieving the look. Send me pics and let me know what you guys think of the gel. I love it so much. It's literally the only gel I will ever use for the rest of my life now. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, follow me on all my social medias. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.